Hello guys, so we've already covered the Bondex mining app and the Bondex project in general on a number of occasions on this channel, but it's super important that we go through it because there have been some massive changes to the Bondex project, which is actually confusing a lot of the community members and to some extent frustrating some of them. So in this video I'll be covering some important parts of the latest developments on this project, and then I'll also be giving you some very key things that you have to do if you want to actually earn from this project. Now, as you can see, the user interface of the Bondex mining app have been redesigned with the latest update. Okay, and one thing that is actually frustrating most of the miners is the change of the Bondex tokens to Bondex points. Okay, now in this video we'll be covering all that, and we will show you guys some excerpts of the white paper to explain why this change. And also if you check the previous video that I made it very clear to you that very soon jobs and recruitments will be coming to the Bondex app, and that is actually here already. And as you can see, Web3 companies have already started active recruitment on the Bondex app, and all these are actually indicated in the latest and updated white paper of the Bondex project. Now, one thing that I want to say before we proceed here is that the Bondex points doesn't necessarily mean that you'll not be getting Bondex tokens or Bondex coins from this project. If you check the white paper, it's actually indicated there that you can actually convert these Bondex points to Bondex token. Now, what is not actually clear at the moment is the ratio that the conversion will be taking place, as whether it is going to be 1-to-1 ratio or not. That is what is not clear yet, but in due course I know there will be updates with regards to this, and once those updates come, we will be seeing those ones. Now, if you check the last video I made about this project, I made mention about the importance of filling your profile. It was not only important with regards to increasing your earning rate or boosting your earning rate, but it appears it is now one of the requirements to actually be eligible for the Bondex airdrop. Now, speaking of the Bondex airdrop, when you go through the updated white paper and light paper on the Bondex website, these are some of the minimum requirements for their airdrop qualification. And all these are things that I actually sounded out a lot about this project. You should have your profile completely filled out. Okay, and completely filled out means that initially there was a progress bar, but now it's not there. But the key points here is that you should have uploaded your resume, that's your CV, and then the 3 contacts invitation is actually been included in the latest update. Okay, so as you can see here, you should have actually invited 3 people to the Bondex app to qualify for this airdrop, and you should have spent at least 3 months on the platform prior to the time the airdrop will be going out. Now, the Bondex team have actually indicated that mainnet is likely going to be in early 2024, so there's still a lot of time to join this. But to earn more of the tokens, I'll entreat you to actually join this early if you've not joined it. So if you join this now and you complete all these requirements, you will be eligible to claim the airdrop irrespective of the number of tokens that you actually have. Okay, so all these are indicated in the airdrop, and as you can see, they've actually also indicated that any user who creates value for their network will be earning the Bondex tokens. And with regards to the resume, one of the most frequent questions is that what type of resume should you update? I think any resume at all that you have about yourself, you can upload it. In my case, I already had mine prior to this. I didn't even make any changes. I just uploaded that one, and it actually boosted my mining rate for a long time, and that is what I'm still using as at now. If you have any resume at all, it should be in PDF format. You just convert it to PDF and then upload it, and you're good. And if you check the previous video, I'll be linking it in the description of this video. I went through all the process and how you can do all those things, so I wouldn't be going through that in this video again. I just wanted to point out a few things in regards to the Bondex points. The Bondex points will be converted to Bondex tokens upon minute. So, and in addition to that, they've also added extra incentives to this. So it's not going to be limited to the conversion of the Bondex tokens. You can also use it to claim some other things as well. So when you go through the white paper, you actually get a very clear idea of how the Bondex point actually works, and I think I will have to include this in the description section of this video. You can go through it, but when you go through it, you actually understand that the Bondex token is their on-chain token, and then the Bondex points will be their off-chain equivalent. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, in addition to being able to convert it to the Bondex token, you can use it to unlock exclusive features, boost your visibility when applying for jobs, make referrals, and introduce companies. A whole lot of utility have been added to the Bondex points. Okay, so this is one of the complaints that a lot of miners made because of the change. They actually think that they are not going to be anything from this. Again, it's not the case. One thing that the Bondex team prioritizes is your contribution to the Bondex network, and that is very important. But apart from that, if you continue contributing to this project, you will actually be earning from it. So that's a quick look at this project. There've been a lot of massive updates, and I'm sure there will be more updates going forward as well. But if you've not joined this, as I mentioned in the previous video, this is one of the best projects that I've joined as long as mining projects on phone are concerned. So I want you to join it if you've not joined this, and if you've joined, try and then at least refer 3 people to join your network as well. This will qualify you for the upcoming airdrop. So that is it for this video, guys. As long as updates come, I'll be turning them up to you as soon as I get them. But thanks for watching. See you soon.